We have a few airdrops to go and claim, a few tokenomics to see 4 airdrops that are claimable in 2 days, and let's look at the market cap of a few of them. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first is the Pose airdrop. It is time to claim your Pose airdrop. And this was a Telegram bot. Now, we do not really focus on the Telegram bots. You can find a few of them, as well as bridging and AI and all free-to-earn airdrops in the Patreon down below. The link will be down below to join the Patreon. But this one, I do not remember. We have participated in because you had to start a few months ago, if I'm not, not mistaken. But as we see here, we didn't participate yet. If you did participate, go to your Telegram, check your allocation, and let me know in the comments below how many tokens you have received. As we do see here, this is congratulations, you are eligible for the Pose airdrop. The token claim hasn't started yet, but you will have the possibility to. So also, if you see it on Twitter, do not click any links, do not click claim here, claim there. The official information, I will bring it to you. So subscribe, turn notification bell on, and make sure to watch the daily videos, because I do try my best and my hardest to take you daily videos. So these are the links down below, and to go and participate, it's a little bit like this one. Do not follow to do anything. So following up, we also have the Notpay Airdrop. Now here we go, mark your calendars on January 14, as we see over here. So when this video goes live, it is going to be in 1 day, exactly 1 day, 24 hours from now. You will be able to go and claim, and the trading will begin. With the trading, the claim will happen. But what is the tokenomics of the Notpay Airdrop, which we have covered? So here we go. 42% goes to community incentivization, 26.5% for future contribution incentivized, 11.5% for airdrop 1, which is airdrop 1 means airdrop 0, airdrop season 1, and airdrop season 2. That is what it means. We got 4% to the validator, 22.5% to ecosystem, network, and foundation, 14% to the team, and 20.5% to investors and advisors. We have the circulation supply over here, as we do see, and the community incentivized for 120 million. So future contribution 265, airdrop 1 115 million tokens, which means that a total of 1 billion token will be launched into the market. Now, if we go and have a calculation, if we are looking this at a $2 billion valuation, we are going to be looking at a $2 market cap. But of course, that is not the most realistic thing. I would be happy with, as we see over here, I would be happy with a $200 million to $500 million allocation in terms of the market cap. This one, I think this would be huge. And it definitely could be something to go and see the tickers and see, and it is already on some trading platform. You will see it live in the near future. We have 208 million circulation supply at launch, which it is very, very important. You can see here all the hype of the community, speculation on the price, etc. But of course, we will see that tomorrow. But as it stands, we will have a 11.5% to the airdrop. We have here also price going up on other exchanges, 0.8 cent, 80 cent on a few exchanges, 40 cent, 50 cent, depending on where you go and see it. But it is nice to go and see. And I do think, are we gonna see the $1? Yes, I think we're going to see the $1 airdrop in this, in terms of the $1 evaluation for single token of this airdrop. Of course, let me know your full location down in the comments below. Following up, we have the Swell Airdrop 2 checker is now live, so you can go and check your Swell number 2 allocation. We got the claiming starting on the 22nd of January, so let's see if anybody else here listens and got to this point of the video and remembers on the 23rd is my birthday. So 1 day before that, we can go and claim our Swell Airdrop. I haven't participated in the Swell Airdrop in the Swell ecosystem. These people found their users for like 3 years, 2 years now. I haven't participated back then, but make sure to go and check your eligibility. The link is down below. You will be able to come over here and simply close this page and connect your wallet. You can see the Wave 1 and the Wave Drop 2. Connect your wallet, anyone, for example, you can go and put MetaMask just to go and showcase you how it looks. And as you see here, as I said, for this one, we have a big 0 because we are not did not participate in it. Here the wave ended on October 8th and this one ended on the 17th of December. So the snapshot basically has been taken 25 odd days ago. Following up, we have the Treat Airdrop by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So this is a weird one, and you can claim this airdrop, and this is for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Now, you can watch the video to be eligible for the airdrop, enter the BIT UID, and enter Treat deposit address from BIT. You can also use KuCoin and Gate.io. Treat will be listed across top tier exchanges on January 14, 2025, but you do need to go and follow them in order to go. You need to do these activities here to be able to go and claim your wallet. So all you gotta do is here you go and watch your video. You as residents are not eligible to claim or buy the treat. And as we see over here, watch the video and claim my treat. Can't wait. Too many listing in January. So it is nice. Now, how much are we expecting this to be? Honestly, I think this is going to be $2, $5 airdrop potentially. But simply you can watch the video over here, let it play, as we see over here. And then once this is over, you will be able to go, as we see over here, to enter your BitGet UID or the KuCoin. I do have KuCoin and I do have Gate.io, so I will go and use that one. I don't think I have BitGet. Simply go and sign up to this one. I think you will find KuCoin in the link in the description. I'm not sure if I still have the link there. Simply go and do it, insert it, and that is good to go. I don't think the airdrop for watching a video will be $700 or $1,000 or, you know, $100,000. Nonetheless, it is still a little bit of something to go and grab, to go and get for absolutely free. All you had to do was look at this video, click on continue, and here, choose your exchange, BitGet, KuCoin, or zero gas fees, earn 5 to 100 extra treat of BitGet. I see it very, very unlikely. Then we got the Shifu airdrop, Shiba and imaginary units. As we see over here, make sure to go and do it. Following up, we also have the OWL will be in your account upon Genesis launch. This was and is an airdrop for Dimension Staker. So if you are a Dimension Staker, you will receive this airdrop, and there is no need to claim this. This will simply be sent, for example, if we open Phantom over here, it will simply be sent to your wallet, in this case your Dimension wallet, therefore your, you know, your Kepler wallet if you have it, or what you use instead of the Kepler wallet, and you will simply find it over here. Super simple, very straightforward, and that is all you gotta do. But with that said, guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. Have a great rest of your Monday. Have a great week ahead of you. I will take you videos on a daily basis, so make sure to like, subscribe, follow, do all of them goodies to support me, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.